the biggest skills that I have developed through the PACK challenge has been being able to collaborate with others, because I don't really get that as much in the classroom. So it's a great way to be able to practice those mechanical skills and marketing skills with others.
PACK encourages kids to be more creative and innovative, because one of the nice things is there's not a set way that things have to be done. And while yes, there are lots of ways we can look at things in industry. So for example, last year we had to fill a bottle with a certain number of product. There's a couple ways the industry does that really well, and so while we could just copy that, one of the goals was to sort of, hey, let's try something new. And so we played around with a lot of different things before the kids settled on a idea. And the same thing here. We even, at one point, we saw somebody de-nesting a bucket using an air hose. And so we watched a YouTube video oh, let's try that with the cups. And the kids really liked messing around with that. So lots of different things they can do.
We see some very unique designs that come out of these teams, and it's very rewarding, because these designs could be used down the road with a potential employer. So good skills for future employment, for sure.